Happy Father's Day. Foot pain? Relief with us. Only $350. This exclusive deal is available from June 12th to June 30th. Foot orthoses with 3D scanning. At York Rehab Clinic, we use 3D scanning to build custom foot orthoses that provide the perfect fit for each patient. By capturing a precise digital model of the foot, we can ensure optimal support and alignment, resulting in improved comfort and function. Digital imaging of the foot minimizes the chance of mistakes significantly, which implies less pain, better comfort, and increased patient satisfaction. Another benefit to consider with this procedure is the rapidity of execution, as well as the foot orthosis's subsequent repeatability.
If you're experiencing foot pain or discomfort, visit York Rehab Clinic and experience the difference that 3D scanning technology can make in creating custom foot orthoses that fit perfectly and provide optimal support and alignment. Our team of experienced healthcare professionals is dedicated to helping you achieve better outcomes and live your best life. Contact us today at 416-350-1940. Our clinic is conveniently located at 10825 Yonge Street, Unit 5, Richmond Hill, on L4C 3x10 cubed. Don't let foot pain hold you back. Take the first step towards relief and book your appointment with York Rehab Clinic today.